Digilatics has been great in helping us find opportunities. Digilatics is transparent. Hello, my name is Andrew Fox, CEO and owner of the BrickKicker Inspection Services, and we've been working with Digilatics for about 2 years now on our paid search campaign. About a year ago, we also had our website hosting switched over to them. Really never had someone listen to our calls, find areas of opportunity, and really break down our various campaigns. We're doing a home inspection campaign, a branded campaign, and a commercial inspection campaign. The whole team come together to help review our monthly input. You know, how much are we spending on Google? What is our ROI? What is our weaknesses and strengths? They're not just going to continue to sell you things. They're working within your overall goal. And our latest 2025-2026 goal presentation from Emily has been fantastic, really incorporating AI, coming up with some strategic opportunities in certain markets where we're performing well and could be doing better. So overall, if you are looking for help in the ever-changing world of online ads and digital space, Digilatics has been very great for us. We've gone through our fair share of different clientele or different partners in this field, and they all initially say the same thing, but can they actually give results? Digilatics is transparent. They give you all the feedback and the receipts to help warrant the numbers that they're showing you. And I couldn't be happier with the budget that we're spending. We're having a continual return on investment above 1,000% on all categories. So when that's taking into account our marketing spend or our management fee spend with Digilatics as well.